Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine. Okay, today I will start a new topic that is ratio, right? It's unit number 9 of your book. Unit number 9. Okay, so ratio. Uh, in your primary school, you have learned how to solve problems involving ratios. But we shall have a quick revision. A ratio is used to compare two or more quantities of the same kind. Two or more quantities of the same kind, which are measured in the same unit. Is it clear? What is ratio? Ratio is simply used to compare the two quantities, but the condition is both quantities should have same kind, which are measured in the same unit. Is it clear? Okay, so today I will tell you about how we simplify the ratio, simplification of ratio. In my first question, you can see 12 ratio. The symbol of ratio is this, two dots. These two dots. This is the symbol of the ratio. We read it as ratio. So this is 12 ratio 32. I will simplify it, and it's very easy and you all know about it. How we simplify the ratio? We cut them in the same table. 12 and 32. As it is very clear from the ones place, the ones place is 2 and the ones place is 2. It's both number are divisible by 2. So I will cut it on table of 2. I can also cut it on the table of 4, right? It's your choice. So when I will cut it on the table of 2, 2 is how many times 12? 2, 6 times 12 ratio. 2, 1 times 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Now it is 12. 2, 6 times 12. Again on which table? Again it is divisible on table of 2. So 2, 3 times 6 ratio. 2, 8 times 16. Now you can see that there is no more common factor in 3 and 8. So the simplified form of this ratio is 3 ratio 8. You will stop your answer here. Okay. In my next question, you can see this is 600 gram ratio 1.6 kg. In my definition, I have told you that in ratio, we compare the quantities, but both the quantities should have same kind. Both should be measured in the same unit. Now you can see that the units of both quantities are not same. These are not quantities of the same kind. So their comparison is not possible until we will make their units same. Is it clear? The unit of 600 is in gram and 1.6 is in kg. So before simplification, I will make their units same. And you all know 600 gram ratio kg. How can we convert kg into gram? 1.6. How many gram in 1 kg? 1000. 1.6 as it is, and kg mean 1000 gram. Kg mean 1000 gram. Now it is, no, both quantities are in gram. Is it clear? So 600 gram ratio. And you all know the direct multiplication 1.6 with 1000. How we multiply them? You can see how many zeros are there in thousands. There are 3 zeros. It means this point will move 3 digit forward. 1, this is 1. Now point, this point will move 3 digit forward. 6. This point, as point is here. You will count 1, 2, 3. Point will come at the end. This is now. And we can write it as 600 gram ratio 1600. 0.0 mean 0.0 can cut and this can be written as 1600 gram. Is it clear? Mean when you will multiply 1.6 with 1000, you will check how many zeros are there. In 1000 you can see there are 3 zeros. It's mean point will move 3 digits forward. So you will count from here 1 and 2 and 3. Second and third digit is missing, so you will put 0 and point will come at the end. At the end mean point is removed now and it will become 1600 gram. Now both units are in gram. Now you can simplify them. 20 with 20 cut. You have left 6:16. Now on table of 2, 3 times 6 ratio 8 times 16. 3:8. This can't be simplified anymore, so you will stop your answer here. Is it clear? Okay, in my next question, 2/3 ratio 5/6. Now your both quantities are in fraction. So what we do, you have to remember when your quantities are in fraction, you have to take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator. When you will take LCM of 3 and 6, you all know 3 1 time 3, 3 2 times 6 and 2 1 time 1 as it is, and 2 1 time 2, 3 2 times 6. You will multiply your each number, each fraction with the denominator, with the LCM of the denominator. 2/3 multiplied by 6 ratio 5/6 multiplied by 6. Is it clear? Mean when your ratios are in form of fraction, you will take LCM of the denominators. And after taking LCM, you will multiply your each fraction with the LCM. Is it clear? You will multiply with LCM of each fraction. Now you can see 3 1 time 3, 3 2 time 6, 2 2 time 4. This is 4 ratio. 6 and 6. 6 1 times 6 and 6 1 times 6. 5 1 time 5. You have left 4:5 and 4:5 can't be simplified anymore. So this is your answer, 4:5. Is it clear? And in my next question, you can see decimal now. How we simplify it? When your quantities are your number are in form of decimal, you have to remove the decimal. How we remove decimal? 12. You know point is in here. You will put 1 under the point and 1 2. 2 digits you will write 20 at the denominator. This is how we remove decimal. Mean under the decimal you will write 1. And after the decimal, you can see there are 2 digits, 1 and 2. So you will put 20. Is it clear? Ratio 56. I have removed the decimal now. Point was here. So you will write 1 under the point and 1, 2. 2 digits. So you will write 20 ahead. Okay. This is how we remove decimal. Mean when you have to remove the decimal, you will put 1 under the decimal, 1 under the decimal, and then you will check how many digits are after the decimal. So you will put 0, right? 1 and 2. There are 2 digits after the decimal, you will put 20. Similarly, you have 2 digits after the decimal, you will put 20. Now it is 12/100 ratio 56/100. Now it's just like as we have solved this question. Now these are in form of fraction. You will take LCM of the denominator, and you know LCM of 100 and 100 is 100. You will multiply each fraction with the LCM. Multiply each fraction with the LCM. And you know 100 1 time 100 and 100 1 time 100. 12 1 time 12. This is 12 ratio 100 1 time 100 and 100 1 time 100. It is 56. 12 ratio 56. Now on which table? as at one's place 2 and 6 both are divisible by 2, but it's better to simplify on the bigger table. So on which table both are divisible? Yes. Okay, if I do it on table of 2, 2 6 times 12, 2 2 times 4, 5 minus 4 1, now it is 16, 2 8 times 16. Again on table of 2, 2 3 times 6, 2 1 times 2, 2 4 times 8. This is 14. Now your answer is 3:14. Is it clear? So this was how we simplify ratio. I have told you 4 different questions. In first question, you can see it's very simple, 12:32. You can cut it on the same table. But in next question, you can see you have different units. In first step, you will make the units same. And when you have fraction, you will take LCM of the denominators. And then after taking LCM, you have to multiply your each quantity or each number with the LCM, each fraction with the LCM. Now you will cut them and numerator with the numerator. You will multiply numerator with the numerator and you have left 4:5. And when you have decimal, you have to remove the decimal first. How we remove the decimal? You have to write 1 under the decimal and then you will check how many digits are there after the decimal. You will write the number of zeros according to the number of digits after the decimal place. So then again the same process, you have to take the LCM of the denominator and multiply each fraction with the LCM, and then you will simplify it on the same table. So this was about simplification of ratio. I hope you have understand it.